Hey, this is Mark. Welcome to Fish Fed Comics, Toy Cars and a Story. Today we got mail call from Marcus and Terri. We got this Johnny Lightning 1962 Chevy Bel Air 2-door. This is one cool looking car, man. Be looking forward to taking this thing out of the package very soon. Hey, what else did we get? Got one of my favorite cool Combi bands, the old Moon Eyes. Looking good. I love these rides. This is a very cool casting. I did not have one of these. It is a unique piece, man. I like it. I'll be opening it up also in the very near future. And the last one, I don't have any of these Star Trek ships, man. This thing's really cool. I will probably open it up and put it on my diorama of the oasis in the sky and the clouds. I think that thing's really cool. I'll be opening it up also in the very near future.